You're thinking about moving to Summerville, aren't you? I can tell. Have you thought about the Nexton neighborhood? If you have, and you like model home tours, you're gonna wanna see this. It's a beautiful single-story floor plan by Ashton Woods called the Witherbee, and it happens to be their top seller, so stick around. And here we are at Model Row Home in Midtown Nexton. You got the wind blowing. That's the greeting house right there. Great place to start your tour and learn all about Nexton as a development. But this is the Witherbee by Ashton Woods. It's a lovely single-story floor plan. Gonna hit the wide angle. Boom! Look down both sides of the house. It starts in the mid-400s, but on average, people are typically spending about $500,000 to $525,000 on this floor plan. The model home, as shown, with its options, is going to run you $600K plus, and you'll see why, because they've done a wonderful job in here. Lots of options, and we'll talk about that. But this front porch, you gotta love it. Perfect for the sweet tea, getting to know your neighbors, enjoying the weather. Absolutely beautiful. And here we go. Got a dining room just to your left here, and it has some options that we're going to discuss in just a moment. Let's take a look from front to back. But just to the right of the front door, you've got your additional bedrooms. Bedrooms number 2 and 3. Obviously your owner suite being bedroom number 1. They share this full bath. Love what they've done in here. Quartz countertop, tile flooring, subway tile for the shower itself. Bedroom number 2 is a generous size, and I love that it has this walk-in closet. And just across from bedroom number 2 is bedroom number 3, currently the sales office. Does not have the walk-in closet, it's got the reach-in over there, good size. And now, back to the dining room. So you have the option to turn this into an office or flex space. It would close off this wall for the butler's pantry. And a further option to make this bedroom number 4 with a third full bath, which would be your butler's pantry and the pantry. A lot of that would be converted to the bathroom, and you'd have a pantry access from the kitchen. We'll see that a little bit more in just a moment. Hall closet. Owner suite, we're going to come back to that. First, we're going to take a look at this lovely open floor plan from kitchen to eating kitchen to living space. Absolutely gorgeous, generously sized island for additional seating. Super quick break from the tour just to say, if you need help with your home search, please do not hesitate to reach out to us here at the Charleston For Real team. We love to help you become our neighbors and our friends. Our information is down below. Also, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and other ones telling you more about the Lowcountry. All right, back to the tour. And upgrades galore. Additional storage on that island. Of course, you've got gas here at Nexton. And then here it is. I love a butler's pantry. I'm a sucker for them. I just think they're so cool. And then there's your pantry and the butler's pantry. All right, we will explore this direction in just a moment, but let's detour back over to the owner's suite. Got a linen closet right in front of you. And a generous sized room. A lovely ensuite. Tile flooring, dual vanities with the quartz tops. Water closet, closet. And then we gotta close this door so you can see that walk-in shower. I love it. Again, the subway tile looking classy. All right, and now I'm gonna go check out the back of the house. These sliders are optional as is the covered porch out here. I'm gonna turn around and take a look from back to front for this house. Love this view. And then check this out. You got a nice drop zone just inside the back door. You can do some built-ins here. They've got furniture for it. Works wonderfully. And your laundry room. And your laundry room. All right, as I mentioned, the back door, as I mentioned, covered porch and sliders are optional, so they are great options to choose. Not optional is a 2-car garage. That is standard. Every home with Ashton Woods is going to have a 2-car garage like this one, which is fantastic. Now, a neat choice that you have is you can add an accessory dwelling unit above this 2-car garage with a kitchenette, and it's a nice little apartment that guests can stay in. You can potentially rent it for 3-month terms. You can't do the short-term rentals. But another cool thing to know is that if the lot permits, you do have the option for a 2.5-car garage, which includes a full apartment above it with a full kitchen. They both have a bedroom and a full bathroom and a closet. The apartment has full kitchen option. And in fact, you can see it here. And that'll be the tour. I told you it was a great floor plan and you stuck around and enjoyed it. If you need help with your search, please reach out. Information down below. And maybe the next time we see you, it'll be right here when you're making the Low Country your home too. We'll see you next time.